Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you exactly how to delete Supercell ID account, and I will do this from the Clash Royale app, but you can also do this from Clash of Clans. Alright, right now we click right in the top and then we click on settings, and from here we go to help and support. Then we click on account, then we go to access delete your data, and then we scroll down to request deletion of your personal data. Then from here we scroll down and we click on delete my data, and right now Supercell throws us in a chat. So what now is important is to read everything well. So right now what we need to do is click on request or delete my data and then click on delete my data. Right now the automated support is typing. So hello and welcome to Supercell support. What can we help with you now? We request delete my data. Right now it says you can manage your game and Supercell data on this menu. If you're looking for a lost account, okay. If you would like to request or delete your data, please select an option that best suits your case. So let's delete my data. Do you want to delete this game or do you want to start a new game? Now then you can decide what you want to do. If you follow these steps, you will delete your account. I won't go further because otherwise I lost all my good levels on Clash Royale. So if you continue this program, you will delete your Supercell ID. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.